Hey guys, this is Sombu. Welcome back to my channel SMDIM to new video of Arduino Programming Series. Here we are learning the Arduino programming from very basic levels to advanced, and this is the third tutorial of this series. In my first tutorial I have explained about the basic structures and rules of Arduino programming. From my second tutorial you got about the variables, how we can use variable, how we can declare or define a variable into Arduino programming. Today's this video become very interesting because here we will write our first programming code to blink a LED. There is one onboard LED in Arduino board pin number 13. So by using this program we can blink this LED. So what are the function here we are using for this program? How we can manipulate the Arduino board and how we can control the digital pins of Arduino board and what are the program for that. So everything we can learn from this video. So without wasting our times, let's get started. Okay. So first we can discuss about the basic function pin mode. So what is a pin mode? You can see in Arduino board there are some analog pins and some digital pins. And when you want to use some pins from Arduino board, then you first have to tell to Arduino board that you are going to use this pin. Otherwise, Arduino will not respond or not given any access to use this pin. For example, you are a college student or school student. You are going to your school or college and you can see at the gate there are some security guard. So you have to tell them and show your ID card. After that they can allow you to enter the college premises. Okay, so the same thing are happening here. Here we are using pin number 13. So we have to tell Arduino board that we are using this pin number 13. So for this we need this pin mode function. So let's show you the syntax of the pin mode function. So the syntax is, first we can define the pin, then comma, then mode. What is mode? Suppose you are sending any signal from your Arduino board to external any element or any device. That time you can say the mode is output. When you receive signal from any external to your Arduino board, that time you can say it is input. So what is the programming code here? So here you can write programming code as pin mode. Then you have to define the pin number. Here we are using pin number 13. So here I put pin as 13. Then comma. Then mode, I told it is output because we are sending to external LED, so that is output. So then semicolon. Okay, I already told in my first tutorial the Arduino programming code is very case sensitive. So here you can see this M is capital. Okay, and you can see the output is also all the letters are capital. So you never change it. If you change it, then Arduino can't understand the command. So you just keep as it is. So I hope you are getting about the features of pin mode function, why we are using pin mode and how we can declare any pin from Arduino board and how we can put the mode. Is it output or is it input? Let's discuss next function. Next function is digital write. So what is digital write? By using this function, we can send maximum 2 signal to external device. What are the signals? One is high, another one is low. Here we are using pin number 13 for turn on and turn off the LED. Okay, so Arduino sending signal by using this function to pin number 13. So what is high? If Arduino send high signal, then it means this pin number will 5 volt applied. If Arduino send low signal, then we can say there is 0 volt applied. So when we send high signal and your LED is connected, positive terminal is connected to pin number 13 and negative terminal is connected to ground. So there is one potential difference for the 5 volt. So that time LED will turn on. When Arduino will send low signal, LED will turn off. So what are the syntax? So syntax is digital write, then you have to mention the pin, then high or low. Okay, so comment will be digital write, then pin number 13. Suppose I am sending first high signal. Okay, then semicolon. So by using this command, I send high signal to pin number 13. So that time the pin 13 applied 5 volt. Okay, so there is one potential difference if your LED is connected to the pin number 13 and ground. So that time LED will turn on. So if I write the next command, I just keep change it high to low. Sorry, it will be capital. Yeah. Using this command, LED will turn off. I send first high command, then send low command. Okay. So there is no time gap. So you can't understand what is happening there. LED is on or LED is off. So here we need to give some time gap. As that we can understand when the LED turn on and when the LED turn off. So for that we have to use the last function. The function name is delay. So by using this function you can stop the Arduino programming for some times. Here the time is count, or you can say the time unit as millisecond. For example, I am putting here delay. So under this bracket you have to mention the time. Suppose I'm right here 1000. So it's taken 1000 millisecond. 1000 millisecond means 1 second. So if I putting this delay after digital write high, then what happened? This LED turn on, then it will pause for 1 second, then again I'm using here delay. So what happened? Once the LED turn off, then it will pause for 1 second again. But here I did some mistake. What is mistake? Again I told in my first tutorial I have explained for we have to use semicolon at end of each line. Okay, so here you can see after delay I'm not putting any semicolon, so I have to put. Okay, so here is one semicolon, another here. So now the program is complete. I hope now you have one question on your mind. What is the question? Any guess? Okay, let me tell. Why I write this pin mode under voice setup and why I write this digital write and delay function under void loop. Just remember, I told in my first tutorial, when any command are using under voice setup, it will run at one time. Whereas when you write any command under the void loop, it will run for repeatedly again and again. So here using pin mode, we are telling to Arduino that we are going to use pin number 13. And if you tell one time, then Arduino can understand that you are going to use pin number 13. So don't tell this each and every time. So that's why I write this programming code under the voice setup. Whereas I need to blink the LED, turn on one time and again turn off repeatedly. So that's why I write this programming code under the void loop. So first it execute this line, so that time LED will turn on, then it will pause for 1 second, then again turn off the LED for this line and again delay for 1 second. So once execution done for last line, then Arduino again execute this first line and it will going on repeatedly. So the LED will turn on, 1 second pause, then turn off, then 1 second pause, again turn on, turn off, turn on, turn off. So it will going on repeatedly until and unless you power off the Arduino. Let's execute this program. So here we first compile this program, then we can upload this program to the Arduino board. So here you can see the LED is turn on, it is pause for 1 second and again turn off. Okay, so let me change this time pause from 1 second to 10 second. So now you can see LED is turn on, it stay for 10 second, turn off 10 second. So yes, the program is working. So guys, you can try from your site if you have Arduino board, and you can download the Arduino programming and just let me know if it is working or not. Hey guys, let me know answer of this question. So the question is, what is wrong in this program? Just answer in my comment box. I hope guys you are getting a lot of things today. You learn the first hour Arduino programming code, and still if you have any doubts or any concern, just feel free to ask my comment box. And if you are learning from my video, please do like, share, comment. Okay, thank you so much. Let's see you on the next video.